Hello viewers, and today for you I have another purchase from eBay. This is going to be a Greece 30 drachma silver coin from 1963. This cost approximately $27.67 with shipping and handling. So let's open it up. Okay, that's interesting. Oh, it looks like they have it all in a nice coin flip for us. Okay, this is a Greece 30 drachma coin from 1963. It is 34 millimeters in diameter, 18 grams in weight. It is 83.5% silver. It is a commemorative coin. It is commemorating the centennial of the reign of the House of Glucksburg. And clockwise from the top we have Paul. These are all different kings of Greece in the last 100 years. We have Paul, you have George II, Alexander, Constantine the First, and George the First. And those are the 5 kings of the last 100 years of the House of Glucksburg for Greece. And I'll show you the reverse. I particularly like the reverse as well. It has a map of Greece, says 30 drachma on it. Okay, we're going to just check the weight of this, and if this is an authentic coin, it should be 18 grams. And there we have it, 18.1, so we're right on the money. And since this is 83.5% silver, that means it's just over 15 grams of silver. So currently today silver is 94 cents per gram. So we're looking at a silver value alone in this coin of $14. So with shipping this cost about $27, and I'm showing the maximum value for something in this condition, and it does claim to be uncirculated. It does look like it's uncirculated. Is anywhere from $22 to $25. So with time and as the price of silver goes up and down, this coin will probably valuate nicely. I've been looking at these coins for a while and just happened to find one at what I thought was a pretty decent price. So, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.